Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful guide on how to fix keyboard shortcuts are not working in Microsoft Word. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, we need to bring up our Word. So by that, please proceed at the button search bar and here, please type for Word. Once you have typed it, wait until a best match should appear in this window before we can proceed. Once it's here, please navigate to the right side of that. You can see there an open option. Please click on it to continue. So eventually you would be redirected to the Microsoft Word where here you need to click on this blank document. Please click on it and navigate to the left side of that where you can see there at the top of that a list of options. Please locate with the file and here at the file please scroll down and locate with this last section or option which is options itself. So please click on it and in that way you would be able to bring up this kind of window which contains the word options. So at the left pane of that, you can see there a list of the options as well, where here you need to proceed with language. Please click on it. And under the choose editing languages, you need to make sure that the default is either English, okay? English depending on the country that you are in. And since I'm in Philippines, that's why I'm choosing it. You can also select the US or the United States as your default, okay? By just select it and go with set as default. In my case, I'll be going with my English in Philippines. Okay. Once you're good with this area, which is the choose editing languages, please proceed on the next table of that where you can see there choose display and help languages. Here as well, you need to make sure that it is being set under the Match Microsoft Windows or either English. Okay. So just select it and go with set as default. And here at the other side as well, which is the help language, you need to ensure that the match display language or English is being set. So select on it and go with set as default. Once you're good, please click on OK and restart your Microsoft Word. The moment you've restarted it, try to check if your problem has been fixed. However, if not, then you need to proceed to the second and last method. The second and last method is very easy. You just have to proceed to the left side again. At the top of that, please click on this option called File and scroll down and bring up the options once again. Here it is Word Options. Navigate to the left pane again. There you can see an option called Customize Ribbon. Please click on it. And the moment you do it, you would be able to customize the ribbon and keyboard shortcuts. Where here you need to proceed at the bottom of that. You can see there keyboard shortcuts. And next to it, you can see there an option called Customize. All you need to do is you need to click on Customize. Okay. And under here you can check or see the categories as well as the commands. So in case the current keys, some of the current keys is being replaced to the wrong key, all you need to do is you need to click on reset all. The moment you do that, you just have to close all of the windows and then restart your Microsoft Word and surely your problem will be fixed. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Don't forget also to leave a comment at the comment section below if you have succeeded on fixing your problem, which is your keyboard shortcut is not working here in your Microsoft Word. So thank you and have a good day.